Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the low volume problem on your Samsung S25 Plus. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and adjust the media and the call volume. So to adjust the call volume, you need to be in an active call in order to do that. So you guys can call up a number. For example, I can call up my friend Charlie, and after that I will just have to press the volume up button. After that, what you guys want to do is adjust the rest of the volume. So go over into the settings. Now you need to go over into sounds and vibration, and here select the volume. Now after you go into volume, you will see that here you can adjust the ringtone, media, notification system, AI assistant, and an alarm. But we are interested in media, so try and max out this setting right here. After you max it out, then what you guys want to do is make sure that do not disturb is disabled on your phone. So go to the main page of the settings and now go over until you see notifications. Here go to do not disturb, and here make sure that this switch is gray, because when it's turned on then we will have do not disturb. So make sure to turn off do not disturb for the time of testing and see if that fixes the issue. If not, then maybe the speakers are stuffed. So what you guys want to do is go over and clean up the speaker grills. Now here we have a speaker grill. As you guys can see, when it's covered in dust, then it will block the connection. It will look like this, like somebody's just holding it, and somebody's holding the sounds hostage. So we definitely do not want that. Now what you guys want to do next is restart your phone to refresh the system. So hold the power button. This way, after we restart the system, then we will basically delete all the minor glitches. So tap restart and tap again to restart the phone. Now it's restarting, so we'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. After the restart, what you guys want to do is wait for the phone to start. So wait for the phone to start up. I'll wait for my camera to catch the focus. And now what we want to do is we want to go over and update our software. So go over into the settings. Now here we want to scroll a bit down until we see software update. And here you need to click check for updates. As you guys can see, I need to restart my phone to finish an update. So I do have the latest version now after this restart. So make sure that you also have the latest version of your One UI. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.